Nice oak doors and windows, but they have a problem. They leak because up and out, any rain hits into the hinge side, gets collected with this gasket on the frame, on the rebate, goes down, down, inside. Wrong sill detail. They put a weather bar too far forward. It's supposed to be right behind there. And you got problem there, problem there. So we found a little retrofit solution for it. It's the other door. To fit aluminium threshold that will go all the way behind the gasket. And then the doors we set in, it's hard to see, these gaskets on the door. So on the top of the door, routed out, and on the side of the door, routed out there. And that's the correct route a bit for the gaskets. Hopefully that will stop the water coming in. Right, now without sun might be visible. So I had to go on the back of the hinge, and because it's curved door, it goes on that face, close to the inner edge, and then as it's reaching the top, comes in line with a locking bolt. So I had to add another piece on top there, lapping on the outer edge. And that's the full seal. And you can hear it. Same on the slave door. Had to stop that long trim there on the top and then run another piece on the outer lip, lapping. That should stop it now. And on the bottom, that reaches down, that comes when it's closed to that point, and we got a secondary gasket coming in front of this aluminium threshold now. That will then throw the water outwards. Right, one door set complete. The other bad point on these doors, but not much I can do about it now, it's the glaze from inside. So if the silicone sealant on outside of the glass fails, the water will drip inside on the inner edge between the bead and the frame, the door. Wooden doors should always be glazed from outside, because this silicone sealant eventually will fail. It's already failing on this side here. It's only been redone a couple of years ago. That's the groove. And that's the blade.